Good morning students. Hereafter I will be taking maths class for you. Today we are going to see how to add 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Means we are going to add 2-digit numbers. Addition of 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Rendu 2-digit number enna panna porona we are going to add. With regrouping we are going to see. Just listen what I am saying to you. In Bindu's and Rakesh school. In this school, there are 28 students already studying. 28 students ஏற்கனவே அந்த ஸ்கூலில் படிச்சிட்டு இருக்காங்க. After that, later 15 students are joining them. 15 students என்ன பண்ணுறாங்கன்னா கொஞ்ச நாள் கழிச்சு join பண்ணுறாங்க. So, how many of them are totally studying in the school we are going to find. 28 is a 2-digit number and 15 is a 2-digit number. So, we are going to add these 2-digit numbers now. First see, by stick diagrams we are going to find 28 students. Altogether we are seeing the picture representation here. There are 2 bundle sticks and there are few sticks in the single. And here 15 students we have represented 1 bundle stick and there are few sticks here. And totally how many students like that I have represented. I am going to explain this to you. First see to 28 students. What is the question given? There are Bindu and in Rakesh school. Bindu and Rakesh school there are 28 students already studying. Later 15 students are joining. Here we are going to find the total number of students are studying there. By using this figure representation we are going to find the answer in this way. First 28 students. In 28 students there are 2 bundles, that is 1 tens and here 1 tens. So totally 2 tens. And here there are single sticks. How many sticks count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally 8 sticks. So 2 tens and 8 sticks, that is 8 ones. So 28 we have represented in a diagram. And 15 students. 15 students, see here only 1 bundle. So 1 bundle is represented as 110. ஒரு bundle 110 அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு represent பண்ணுவோம். So 110 and here there are 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 sticks in loosen. So this 5 sticks are said to be as in ones place. So 5 ones and 1 tens are taken as 15 students. So 5 in the ones place. So there is 5 tens and 1 in the tens place. So there is only 1 bundle stick. So now we are going to find the total. How we will find the total? எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? We have to calculate altogether these two representation of figures. So count the ones place at first. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 sticks are there. So you all know, உங்களுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்கும் தெரியும் 10 sticks, 10 loosened sticks makes 1 bundle. 10 sticks will make 1 bundle. So take 10 sticks at first. Here there are 8 sticks, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 8 and you need 2 more. So take from here 9, 10. So take these 10 sticks to make a bundle. So ஒரு bundle இதல make பண்ணிடலாம். You are going to take these 10 sticks to make a bundle. Another 1 bundle you have taken. Here there are already 3 bundles. 1, 2, 3. So you have taken 3 bundles already and here there are 10 sticks. Here totally 13. In 13 you have altogether make this as a 1 bundle. So this is another 1 bundle. Remaining how many sticks are there? 1, 2, 3. So you have represented 1, 2, 3. So totally 3 sticks. இப்போ இங்க 3 sticks இருக்குது. So these 3 sticks are 3 ones. So ones place we will be writing 3. So write 3 in the ones place. First you have to write 3 in the ones place. Then how many bundles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So bundles means you have to say as tens. There are 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 tens. 4 tens இருக்கனால tens placeல 4 எழுதுவோம். So 3 in the ones place, 4 in the tens place. So what's the answer? 43 is the answer. Total number of students is 43. By adding these two numbers we have got 43. By using figures we have find out. Now we shall see by placing the place values we shall find the 2-digit number. First step is we have to write the place value chart. You all know what is places, ones and tens. There are two places, ones and tens, because it is a 2-digit number. Up to 2-digit number means you have to write up to tens place. Tens place a 2-digit number na tens place varaikku eludano. Ones and tens. Write the first number in the places. First take 8. 8 is in ones place. So write 8 in the ones place. Then 2 is in tens place. So write 2 in the tens place. Then the next number is 15. Where you will write in the ones place. 5 in the ones place. 5 one place there is no. 1 you have to write in the tens place. Now you have to add these two numbers. Add these numbers. First you have to add in the ones place. Then in the tens place. First enga add pannu ones place ulla numbers add pannittu adu add pannadukku apparama tens place number add pannu. Idha neenga last class la padicheenga. Today we are going to see with regrouping. With regrouping means carry overing the number. This is a new term to you. Idu ungalku pulsa irukum. Regrouping radu carry over அப்படினா இன்னொரு பிளேஸ்க்கு கொண்டு போறது. So first add these two numbers 8 ஐயும் 5 ஐயும் you have to add. First 8 in the ones place. 8 ones and 5 ones. Take 8 in your mind. 8 மனசுல வச்சுக்கோங்க. 8 in your mind and take 5 in the fingers. Say after 8 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is a 2-digit number. So you have to write outside. Write 13 outside. வெளியில என்ன பண்ணிக்கணும் 13 எழுதிக்கணும். If it is a 2-digit number, write 13 outside. This is mean by a regrouping. So write 13 outside. Now we have to give the place values. 13 வெளியில எழுதினதுக்கு அப்புறமா இந்த நம்பருக்கு என்ன பண்ணனும்னா place value எழுதணும். So write the places. 3 where you have found in the ones place, right? So write ones in the place of 3 and next to ones place it is tens. So take 3 to the ones place. Write 3 in the ones place. Then carry over the number 1 to the tens place. 1 enna pannu you have to take to the tens place. This is mean by carry over. When you are carry overing, this is said to be as an regrouping. Carry over அப்படினா regrouping அர்த்தம். So take 1 to the tens place. Round that number, then only we know it is a carryover number. So take 1 to the tens place. First you have to add these two numbers 8 and 5 in the ones place. That is 8 ones and 5 ones. You are adding these two numbers 8 plus 5. You have got the number 13. It is a 2-digit number. So you are writing outside. 2-digit number irukkaradanaala you are writing outside. Then you have to give the place values. Place value எழுதணும். First 3 to the ones place. 3 வந்து ones place ல இருக்கு. 1 வந்து tens place ல இருக்கு. Now you have to take 3 to the ones place. Ones place க்கு அது எடுத்துட்டு போணும் 3. Then in the tens place number you have to take to the tens place. You are carry overing the number 1 to the tens place. Carry over பண்ற நம்பரை round பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. Then 1 2 1. So 1 10 is here, 2 10 is here and 1 10 is here. So you have to add these numbers now. 1 should be in your mind. 1 வந்து மைண்ட்ல வச்சுக்கோங்க. 2 should be in your fingers. Say after 1 is 2 3. Now you got the number 3. How you have got? 1 should be in your mind and 2 in the fingers. Now count the number. After 1 is 2 3. Now 3 should be in your mind. 3 should be in your mind. 3 மனசுல வச்சுக்கணும். You have calculated, right? So 3 மனசுல வச்சுக்கோங்க. After that 1 is there, 3 in your mind. After that you have to calculate. 1 should be in your finger, 3 is in your mind. Say after 3 4. Now you have to write the number 4 in that tens place. How you have found this number? First we have to take 1 in your mind, 2 in the fingers. Say after 1 2 3. Now 3 should be in your mind and there is 1 here. Take 1 in the finger. After 3 you have took 3 in your mind, right? So after 3 you have to say is 4. So write the number 4 in the tens place. Now what's the answer you have got? 43. Here also by representation we have seen, you have got the answer as 43. There are 4 bundles and 3 sticks. So you have found like this. Here in the place value table we have fixed and we have found the answer. How we have found? First we have to give the place values up to tens because it is a 2-digit number. Tens varaikku eludunu. Ya eludunu? Because it is a 2-digit number. So you are writing up to tens. Then you have to place the values. 28 here in the places. 8 in the ones, 2 in the tens. Then 15. 5 in the ones and 1 in the tens. Now we have to add these two numbers. Ones place you have to add first. After adding ones place you have to add the tens place number. If you have the 2-digit number, then you have to carry over the number. First you have to add the ones place number. You have got 2-digit number as 13. You have to give the place values. Ones place number should be taken to the ones here and tens place number should be carry over to the tens place. Carry over number should be rounded. Then 1, 2 and here 1 tens. So you have to add these numbers. In the 3 number you add pannu. 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 3 plus 1 is 4. So how will you write the answer? 28 plus 15 is equal to 43. Now you have found the answer as 43. Now we shall try some exercise problems. See the first one. Add the numbers and circle the correct answer. Like this way you are going to circle the answer given here. First we have to add the numbers. See, addition sentence is given here, then solution box and the answer is given here. You are going to find the answer by solving and then you have to round the answer which one is correct. So see the first one, 14 plus 18. How will you add the number? First we have to write the place values. Then you have to write the number in the places. First number is 14. So write 4 in the ones place. Then 1 in the tens place. Then see to the next number 18. So 8 in the ones place and 1 in the tens place. Now you will be adding these two-digit numbers. First add in the ones place. Modalla ones place ulla number add pannanum. What are the numbers there? 4 and 8. 4 irukku, 8 irukku. So take 4 in your mind and 8 in the fingers. 4 should be in your mind and 8 in the fingers. Say after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After 4 you have to say the number. You have to take 8 in the fingers. Say after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What number you have got? 12. So it is a 2-digit number. So you are writing outside 12 in the outside. Now what you have to do? Have to give places. Where you have found ones place la kanpichanala, have to write from ones. 2 in the ones place and 1 in the tens place. 2 on the ones place in eludunu, 1 on the tens place in eludunu because have found in the ones place. So 12 you have to write outside because it is a 2-digit number. Now what you have to do? Have to take 2 to the ones place. Ones place la 2 eludunu. Then take tens place number to the tens. Have to carry over the number to the tens place. So write as 1. Circle the number, carry over number. Now you are going to add these 3 numbers. What are the numbers? 1 tens, here 1 tens, here 1 tens. So you are going to add these 3 numbers. One should be in your mind and the next number should be in your fingers. Say after 1, you have kept 1 in your mind. So what you have kept in your mind, that number to the next you have to say. நீங்கள் மனசில் வச்சிருக்க நம்பருக்கு அடுத்த நம்பர்லேருந்து சொல்லணும். After 1 it's 2. Then 2 should be in your mind and 1 in the fingers. 2 is in your mind. Say after that number is 3. You have to fold the finger by saying the next number. So what's the next number? 3. So write that number in this box. So you have got the answer as 32. Fill the box here 32 and then round the answer here. You have to circle the answer, right? So circle the answer as 32. See to the next problem. What is given? 36 plus 57 you have to find the missing box. What is the question? Have to find the number, add the numbers and circle the correct answer. Correct answer you are going to circle like this way. First, it is given in the statement. What is the statement? 36 plus 57 equal to, that box is unfilled. Then there is a place value box. So you are going to find the solution by using this format, and then you are going to circle the answer. First, give the places for each of the numbers. First number is 36, mother number 36. So you have to place in the values. 6 in the ones place, 6 a ones place, 3 in the tens place. Then the number is 57. 7 in the ones place, 7 a ones place, 5 a tens place. Now we have to add these numbers. First, where we will add? முதல்ல எங்க add பண்ணனும்? In the ones place. So add in the ones place number 6 and 7. So how will you add? 6 should be in your mind. Take 6 in the mind and 7 in the fingers. Take 7 in the fingers. 6 is in your mind. Say after that number 6 and you are going to fold the fingers. After 6 you have to say the number. What's the number next to 6? Is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's a 2-digit number. What number you have got? 13. It's a 2-digit number. You have to write outside. Write the number 13 outside. எங்க கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கீங்க இந்த நம்பரை? ones place உள்ள நம்பரை ஆட் பண்ணனால you have got number 13. It's a 2-digit number. அதனால வெளியில எழுதிக்கோம். ones placeல கண்டுபிடிச்சனால you have to start from ones. 3 in the ones place and 1 in the tens place. Now take 3 to the ones place. Ones place la 3 எழுதணும். Write 3 in the ones place. Then take tens place to this tens place. 1 should be carry over to the number. 1 is carry over, and you have to add these 3 numbers. 1 should be in your mind and 3 in the fingers, and then you have to calculate. What are the numbers given here? 1 tens, 3 tens and 5 tens. Take 1 in the mind and 3 in the fingers. Say after the number 1 is 2, 3, 4. Now 4 should be in your mind. 4 எப்போ மனசுல வச்சுக்கணும். 1 வந்து first மைண்ட்ல வச்சுக்கிட்டீங்களா? அப்போ you have to say the next number by folding the fingers. After 1 it's 2, 3, 4. Now 4 should be in your mind and 5 in the fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now what you have got? Number 9. So write the number 9 in the box. So write the answer 93 here and round the answer, circle the answer. So 93 is the answer. Likewise, you are going to find this sum. This is homework for you. What's number given? 37 plus 33, and you have to find the answer by using the solution box. The place values are given. First we have to முதல்ல places ஒவ்வொரு placesலையும் place பண்ணிக்கணும். 37 7 in ones place, 3 in tens place, and here 3 in ones place, this 3 in tens place. Then you have to add in the ones place at first, then ones place add பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறமா if you got 2-digit number you have to write outside. 2-digit number கிடைச்சிச்சுன்னா you have to write outside. Then you have to give the place values. Place value கொடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறமா you have to carry over the number in the tens place. Tens place உள்ள நம்பரை என்ன பண்ணணும்? Carry over to the tens place here. Carry over பண்ணுற நம்பரை circle பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. After circling that you have to calculate that numbers in the tens place and you have to find the answer. That's all we have seen here, how to add the 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Regrouping means here which is carry overing the number. We shall see the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you students.